Hi, welcome back. On this video here, we're going to do some event handling practice. This is going to be awesome. This is going to be really good. You're going to be using this a lot in JavaScript. So let's go ahead and open our co-editor, our file here, go to practical app, and let's drop in 9 because I think this is the event handling. Let's check it out right here. Event handlers right here. All right. So we are going to go all the way down to where it gives us some information. All right, and hopefully I can correct some of the things here with you. I probably already did, just making sure. But anyway, let me explain here what's going on. Step one, we got to put an on-click event handling on this button right here, and then call an alert function. You know how to do that already, so I'm gonna let you do it. So pause this video, don't cheat, and do that. All right, so if you're still watching, it's because you didn't understand it. But so you're gonna put an on-click event handler here. We learn how to do that on the event handling section, and we're gonna put an alert function. We're gonna put some text in there. Remember your single quotes because we got double quotes in here, and we're going to click on that button and activate it. Right, we're gonna go here, refresh it, and activate that button by clicking it. All right, so go do that. Pause the video and do that. And we learn how to do this in event handling. So for those of you out there that are still now understand, go back to that video and watch it before you even see my code here. Well, hopefully you pause the video and you were able to do that. If not, let's do it right now. So let's go to let's do on click, and we are going to be calling an alert function. Really simple right here. Semicolon, single quotes, hello dear student. Save, come back here, we're gonna refresh, hit the button. Perfect, we got the first one done. All right, so let's get the second step. All right, so hopefully you were able to get this. We just created an attribute and on event handler here and assigned it an alert function. Just like we use an alert, we assigned it an alert, but we used single quotes here because we got double quotes here. If we use double quotes, then it's gonna close the statement before we even get to the end. All right, so that was step 2, was open and refresh. We did that. Next, we are going to do something differently here. We're going to be using a document.getElementById with onClick. Don't panic, I will help you on this. I will help you because that's what he said there. Now I corrected that. I will help you on this a little. I will help you a little bit on this. All right, so next section, step 1, create a button with an ID of click me. All right, I feel like copy and pasting. And let's put the button right there. Actually, let's not put the button right there. Let's put the button right here. Actually, that's what it says. But actually, what am I doing? You're supposed to pause the video. What are you doing here? Pause the video and you do it yourself. All right. All right. So go ahead and do that. Don't cheat. You almost cheated there, right? I almost forgot. So go ahead and do that. Pause the video and create a button with an ID click me that says click me. Follow this step right here. Almost forgot. You almost got me there. Go ahead and do that. All right. Hopefully you were able to do that. Right now I'm going to do my part, and you probably got this. So anyway, I'm just gonna delete this here, and I'm going to change the ID. That's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully you got that because I almost made that mistake there of doing everything. So, and I'm not going to delete this video because I think it's funny. So, and here we're gonna make a function. The step 2, we're gonna make a function with the name click me, and inside the curly brackets we're gonna open an alert function displaying any text we want. All right, so remember that we are inside the script tags here. All right, don't get tripped by that. I almost got tripped with all these comments here, but I needed these comments so you can understand what's going on. Function with the name click me, and I'm gonna copy, because I'm a good student, what my instructor put there. Let's put the curly brackets in here, and inside here we create an alert function. That's what it says to do, with a string, and we're gonna say hello from inside the function. I'm gonna write whatever I want, right? All right, that's not gonna do anything. We refresh. We got a button there, but we're not gonna do anything. But we gotta change the name of that button. We're not following directions like we're supposed to. It says you gotta put click me in there. I'm such a bad student right now. Seriously. All right. Let's go ahead and here and refresh it. Now it says click me. All right. So step number 2, we did that. Step number 3, create a document.getElementById, by ID, and we're gonna do this outside the function. Remember that. Get element parentheses, and then we're gonna put the ID we just made, and is right here. I'm gonna copy it because I don't want to make mistakes. Remember to put single quotes in there. All right, always. If you have an editor and it looks like this when you paste it in there, you know you got to put something in there. All right. And then on step 4, it says use a dot notation to append it. So this is a dot notation, and we got to append this. So I'm just going to copy it. I think this looks great. If you did not copy it, sorry you didn't catch it, but it's right here, the whole thing. All right, so I appended that, and I like to put this down so I can see what's going to go in between the executable code. And then it says put the name of the function, click me inside there. All right, so I'm going to put this in there. All right, and if you watch that event handler video again, you know that we're not going to put a semicolon here. So and remember to put a semicolon for the semi at the end of the curly bracket. Does this say bracket? All right, hopefully you understood that. And I did it on the event handler. Actually, I created a function just very similar to this, and I put a semicolon there, and I told you about that. So hopefully you got that. All right, so I think we're good to go, right? We don't. Step 6, open your page and refresh. Let's save it. Always save your files, and let's refresh, and then we click here and we say wow, hello from inside the function. Hello dear students. Hello from inside the function. Hello dear students. Hopefully this doesn't break. No, it works all the time. Perfect. So I think we're good with this video here. I think this video was long enough, and I'm gonna cut the video here, and then we're gonna go to the next lecture. Okay, so anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this lecture here helped you do a lot of practice. Now, one thing before you go, if for some reason you didn't get this is very important. Come back to it, pause the video, look at it, come back to it, and keep doing it until you have it down pat, until you know exactly how this works in and out. All right, and if you have a question, go make a discussions and I will answer it. This is very straightforward here, and if you need any help, let me know. But practice it until you get it 100% right. Even if you have to do it 100 times, this is very important here. It's gonna help you a lot. So I see you in the next lecture.